Good morning. This is the makeup lab for the constant acceleration lab, the Angry Bird lab we do in Physics A. And you're going to measure another constant acceleration. And you're going to do this by throwing something along the ground. So you'll need something to throw. You'll need some way to measure distance on the ground, and you'll need a flat, smooth surface. I have some demonstrations here you can watch of how I accomplished this. I used a textbook and the floor in a school hallway. All right, so this is a constant acceleration lab, and you can do this by marking out on the ground a distance of about 9 feet long. You might not have rulers, but you can mark it off yourself. You're going to need something you can slide. I have an old textbook, and you're going to need a timer. And basically, the motion is going to be this. So you're going to throw it, you're going to try to hit it at the first mark, and you're going to see how far it slides. The throwing strategy that's worked best for me is to throw it like this. Start the watch when I hear the thud from the ground, and stop it when I see it stop moving. So the key thing there was that I really tried to hit where I started my meter stick, so this could be like a chalk line for you. And that way I'm getting the displacement. So as you go to calculate constant acceleration, this can be XO, and this can be X. So it's important you try to hit this place, and you record this distance. So you're going to do that 3 times, and you're going to figure out how long it takes in time for it to slide, and you're going to write down how far it goes each time. To calculate acceleration with distance and time, you'll need to solve a system of 2 equations, and I've given you an example problem here you can use in order to accomplish that. Basically, I used these 2 equations to get an acceleration. Actually, in this case, I got an initial velocity, but instead of solving for acceleration here, you would have solved for VO and plugged that in, which would get you acceleration. As far as the conclusions go for this lab, standard conclusion, the 3 questions: what did you learn? What were your sources of error? How can you improve your data collection? I'd like you to talk here about whether you think you should have gotten the same acceleration for all 3 of your trials. Good luck. Let me know if you've got any questions.